The world is changing. The water industry is changing. And us Downer people know how to handle change, how to adapt and to thrive.
Hi, I'm Jen and I'm a wastewater service person at Downer. I've always been an outdoors person, but after a difficult period in my life, I had decided to head over to Australia. I was just on the verge of going when the opportunity to join the Downer wastewater team came up and I grabbed it.
Hi, I'm Ethan Keith, the water serviceman for Downer Levin. So when I was a bit younger, got myself into a bit of trouble and I linked up with my counsellor who got me onto the Whanake Kite Ora program in late 2018. This led to a job with Downer on the Shared Pathways program.
Hi, I'm Rick. I'm the Water Engineering Services Manager for Downer. I've been in the industry for around about 20 years. I was in the UK first, before a stint in Vietnam, and I've been in New Zealand for around about 14 years.
I've taken on new responsibilities recently. I've also started studying toward my level 3 water reticulation. And on a personal level, I've gained a lot of confidence in my abilities. Now when I'm on a call out, I know I can assess the situation independently.
I'm getting into my academic stuff now and doing all my unit standards, something I never done when I was younger, so getting into it now is I'm succeeding and good at it.
The regulation of the water industry and the wider water reforms mean there's massive changes at the moment to everybody in the water industry. My role means I need to stay on top of these changes so we can offer customers up-to-date advice. We're also shaping up how Downer can adapt and keep our New Zealand-wide team up to date.
The work I get to do with the Downer team is always changing. So this role has helped me stay focused, not just at work but outside of work, and it's also allowed me to stay motivated and confident.
The requirements of our customer change regularly for all sorts of reasons and we have to be ready to adapt. One way we've done this is by introducing the SRAT. This is an acoustic tool that finds issues in sewer lines so we know where repairs are needed.
Our customers' needs are always changing, partly due to water reforms, but also because they need to adapt to new technological developments. Satisfaction for me in my role is when I'm able to make a tangible difference. Some people worry about change, but I see it as a massive opportunity.
The work I do is always changing and I love rising to new challenges along with the rest of the Downer team.
At Downer, we see the challenges ahead for the water industry as an opportunity to grow and improve.
You've got to have a great attitude to handle a job like this, and my motto for Downer is you only get what you give.